I love it. Every weekend, Carl Edwards has water bottles in his car that he throws out. He just threw one out and it nailed the right side skirt of the 2 car. Hey, tell them it's that f***ing right around that slow to get the f*** out of the way. Chuck McMurray, I'm punting his ass if he keeps mirror driving me. All right, let him know I tried it the easy way. Now it's going to be the hard way for him.
Trouble off of turn number 4. David Reagan goes around.
Well, I didn't even have to use the bumper, but I told him. I did let him go. I'm going to let him know it, because if he touches me again, I'm going to freaking knock his head off. So that punt is 4 times a little upset.
I guess they thought you got into him, I guess.
Oh, he's treated different than everybody else. Ask the 99 what his problem is. Somebody needs to explain to that dumb who the he think he is, man. I'm telling you, that pissed me off right there. Stop gonna be forward fuel, going on the tires, 1.5 round in the left rear.
Sorry, forward no fuel.
Forward no fuel.
Because we're 22nd, we're going backwards. We gotta find a way to go forward.
Soft green laps, that's how. Tires, I suck on new tires.
Alright, well, I'll leave you out. There's only 19 green laps left.
What do you think, we're gonna win from here?
I don't want to finish 20th.
Tires are not our problem.
Well, what the is the problem?
Every kid in town pulls up in the wrong damn time and cuts me off and splitter hitting the damn racetrack every time I go to turn 1. How about that?
I don't know what Jamie was thinking, but that was cool.
Yeah, man, he's beer driving fool. It's a handful. Hang on. I cannot pick up the throttle over the bumps because I'll spin out. It doesn't help that we're dodging waterfalls out here as well. Apologize to him. I out because that stupid 42. He's about to piss me off. The 2, I'm going to beat the out of him. What happened? 2 car ran into us. That's what happened. Left. Never mind. Do him. Just go. Change him. Next time I get to him, I'm moving him. Just let him know. 10-4. I would too. Saying if he wants to cause a big wreck, keep driving the way he's driving. 15, I'm gonna his up. Where is he? I'm getting this. What the happened to our race cars? Damn, we suck. This is just ridiculous, this damn tire. Josh Weiss, I just can't get back in the rhythm now. Tell Carl if he can't pass the 47, get out of the way and I will.
Just went to his guy, asked him how big his mirror is.
36 is like got pieces flying all off his car.
Yeah, it's rubber. He's got a fire underneath. Same thing as the other guys. Just gonna flame up in a second here. There it goes.
Woo, that thing's really on fire. Where the I'm racing?
They still got a pit. Just stay calm, man. There ain't nothing you can do about it. You just gotta keep going.
Oh my goodness, fucking oil all over the goddamn racetrack. This thing is way off.
All the way to the bottom goes Joey Logano.
What the That stupid idiot. You kidding me? I'm plowing really bad here.
Barkdale wants to know if you brought that horseshoe with you.
Yeah, it was a little heavy. I rubbed on it though. What's up with that 31 getting into me? P3? What? Wow, that was a crazy race. Boyer's the worst car out here. You kidding me? I love our teammate, just knocked our damn fender in.
I saw it. I can't believe that. It's stupid.
They forgot to tighten the oil line or something. Well, then Logano is completely up the starts. He's like slowing down as we get into the box. Here to get off the top. We got the vibration. Probably gonna have to pitch. Damn it! Jesus! Big Murray just turned left. Man, I saw him thinking about it. I'm like, sure he's not gonna do that. I checked out, but he turned left. Next time you get a chance, just ask the 48 if he has a spotter. Now that 48, he better be careful. He's gonna get himself wrecked. I'm sitting there quarter throttle spinning out. Major brake issues. All I can tell you is they have pressure, and then on the brakes, they just start to go to the floor. Terrible. I just cannot block this on this restart. These guys, I tell you, there's something. And I don't know what that 14 did, but boy, they came alive right there. Dude, we're just getting murdered out here. The tires are gone. I just got no rear grip at all for 1 and 2. Yeah, that 43, if we're nose to tail, I'm his best friend. Back that up to me, we will go up there. Son of a destroyed the nose.
Watching the fuel, man. Whoa. Oh, man.
Gotta get that fixed. Doesn't matter, it's the light. The light is what does it, and they had it red, and they turned it green as soon as the first car crossed there. Yeah, that's jacked up. That is Eddie, I felt like I slid the out of those tires coming in there, bud.
I think we got a speeding penalty.
I was gonna say, I mean, I didn't make it. I was locking the tires up the whole way in there. Pretty sure we did too. What do you got there, Jeff? No power? No, I fixed my seatbelt came undone. Can't believe Matt doesn't trust me like that. Thought we were tighter than that. Yeah, buddy! Yes! Yeah, baby! Yeah, we're going to Homestead! Yeah! That's how you fight! Going to Homestead, boys! That's how you do it! That was huge! I love you guys. Great job. Way to hang in there. That's what I'm talking about. Fighting and digging, boys. That's what we do! This is like your best turn all day. I'm badass.
You just lowered my blood pressure like 20 points.
Now, the reason it's my fault is because he said we were 3 wide, and I came down. You know, that's why it's my fault. Nice job, guys. Good fight there to get back to it, man. Hey, we missed it a little bit.
Good job, champ. Wanted to get that for you, buddy. Sorry, came a little short.
And you guys got some coming. I guarantee you that. What a blast, man. I appreciate it. I couldn't ask for a better team to go out my final race.
Great career, and thanks for everything.
Oh my gosh, boss, I can't thank you enough, buddy. It's been a dream come true, thanks to you. Appreciate everything, love you.
How'd that 27 spin, Jeff? Did you see that? Somebody told me, but I didn't see it. I was chasing down the 47, I'm sorry.
That's all right, karma.